Bop, bop, bop. Art Collins here. I just want to share with you a study that I did. What you see in front of you is that you're going to get a system. I would not call it a system. It's just something that is based on 18 trades. That's hardly a system, ladies and gentlemen. But there may be some validity to the fact that it's doing what you're going to see it do. But no, I wouldn't trade it myself, and I'm not advising you to. I just want to share what I come up with, because that's what I would want to see as a system fanatic, okay? This came about because I had an idea that if you looked at the 5 days of the week and the averages in all of them, historically, the range sizes would not be different from Monday to Tuesday through Friday. It's just, they would all be pretty much the same. So I tested it from January 2nd of 2010 through 2019. And sure enough, there wasn't a big spread, okay? The highest, we're looking at 24-hour sessions, by the way. And the highest range on those 24-hour sessions, the highest day of the week, I should say, that averaged, was less than a point more than the lowest. So no bias anywhere. I forget what the actual number was. It really doesn't matter. But I also thought that now with these hyper markets, and there just seems to be a lot of pent-up anxiety over the weekend, and we frequently get sizable gap openings on the Sunday night opening session, which is part of the 24-hour Monday official day. I just intuited that if you average out the daily averages per day of the week, the daily ranges, I should say, Monday would be significantly bigger than the other four, okay? So tested them separately. Tuesday through Thursday ranges averaged 85.8 points. Pretty humongous, right? But I was right. The comparable Monday average range was 104.5 points. 104 points. Now, that may seem unbelievable. Most days, even Monday, we don't get 100 points, even on the 24-hour session. But you have to keep in mind that when you had the crash, you had one day that was more than 300 points, total range size, and a couple other that were 200. So I checked the results several times. That is accurate. 2020 average Monday range, 104.5 points, and that's almost 20 points greater than the other days of the week. So I figured there had to be in there something in there, right? Again, for whatever it's worth, use caution. Set your charts to daily 24-hour sessions to see this. And if the official Monday open, again, that's 5 o'clock Central Time on Sunday, if that open is below Friday's close, buy at the open plus 20% of the average 3-day range on a stop. Okay, so it's one of those momentum deals. You get an opening price. You'll enter it if it goes 20% of the 3-day average range up above that open. If it doesn't, you won't get a trade on the long side. Has to be the long side if you open lower than the close. If the official Monday open is above Friday's close, sell short at the open minus 20% of the average 3-day range on a stop. Exit at the 4 p.m. Central Time full session close. Don't get confused. If we're only looking at daily bars, the official closes at 3:15 p.m., but if you got the full 24-hour, you do have that mini half-hour session after that closes. So it is 4 p.m. And again, this is what you get in the S&Ps. I thought I said 18 trades. There's only 16. Again, just information, all right? Something I would be interested in seeing if someone else came up with it. $26,500 on those 16 trades this year. Remember, there'll be some days where nothing is hit on Monday. 87.5% profit. $1,656 average trade. Even without a stop, the worst drawdown you had was $2,150, giving you a return on account of 1,232%. And you got a couple of the other markets that do even better, namely the Dow, 1,360 ROA, and the NASDAQ that made $50,800 so far this year. On 19 trades, 2,546% return on account, and 78.95% of your trades were profitable. Worst drawdown of $1,995. Okay. Is this wild momentum going to continue in the near future? Well, for some reason I think it might. But again, this is why you can't get all that excited. So that's it. I'll show you as I get it, right? Till next time.